About 5 million people get their wisdom teeth removed every year, for which medical treatment also costs lakhs of rupees. Because leaving them in can cause serious problems like gum infections, tooth decay, and even tumors. Wisdom teeth don't usually come in until you're between 16 and 18 years old. And by the time your other 28 teeth are likely, take up all the space in your mouth. In this case, the wisdom teeth, instead of growing like normal teeth, get stuck in your jaw, or affected, because of which they often grow at odd angles. And the other molars are pressed and pushed back. This causes a feeling of pain and swelling. They also create narrow gaps between the teeth. Plaque starts to accumulate by forming spaces in the gums near the teeth. This plaque becomes difficult to remove with a toothbrush. This allows more bacteria to accumulate, and then can cause infection and cavities. If not treated in time, these lead to gum disease. It could be worse. Tooth decay can eventually destroy your wisdom teeth. That's why doctors often remove wisdom teeth to protect you and your teeth from such terrible disease and bacteria, before they become big baddies. It is only appropriate